Hello my dear student, this is a lecture number 5. In this lecture, I am going to solve some example from your textbook. Okay, so practice set 1.3, question number 1, page 21. Now look here, one figure is given, triangle ABC, and in this triangle angle B is equal to 75 given. Some other seg is there inside the triangle ABC, and in this triangle DEC, in this triangle this angle is given 75. Okay, what is question? I will first read the question. As shown in the figure, angle ABC is equal to 75, angle EDC is also equal to 75. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Okay, now solution. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle B is equal to angle D, each of 75 degree given. Angle C is equal to angle C, which is a common, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle EDC, a test of similarity. And the correspondence is this: A correspond to E, B correspond to D, and C correspond to C. All these are what? One-to-one correspondence. Okay. Question number 4, page number 21. The question is this: in triangle ABC, AP perpendicular BC, BQ perpendicular AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C. Then prove that triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. That means there are what? Two parts. First, you have to prove this. Okay. Now look here. Solution I will start. Now this is a triangle ABC given, AP perpendicular and BQ perpendicular to AC given. Okay. Now triangle. In triangle CPA, CPA and triangle CQB, angle C is equal to angle C, that means this angle, which is common. Angle P is equal to angle Q, each of 90 degree, because perpendicular given, and therefore triangle CPA similar triangle CQB test a test of similarity. And now therefore AC upon BC is equal to AP upon BQ. Reason CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, and therefore AC upon BC, BC is equal to 12 given, is equal to 7 upon 8, AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8. Simplify, AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8, this is 4 3s are 4 2s are 7 into 3 21 upon 2, that is equal to 10.5, and therefore AC is equal to 10.5. Okay. Question number 6, page number 22. In trapezium ABCD, This is a trapezium ABCD. Side AB parallel side DC, diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect in point O. If AB is equal to 20 and DC is equal to 6 given and OB is equal to 15, then find OD. OB is this is equal to 15 given. Now you want this. Okay, solution. Given quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium AB parallel CD given, diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15. Find OD. In triangle COD and triangle AOB, triangle angle COD congruent angle ABO, alternate angles made by AB parallel CD and this transversal BD. Angle COD congruent angle AOD, vertically opposite angles, and therefore triangle COD similar triangle AOB test a test of similarity, and therefore OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB. Reason corresponding sides of similar triangle, and then you substitute your value. OD upon 15 is equal to 6 upon 20, and therefore OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. Okay, then simplify this. 15 6 are 90 upon 20, 0 cut, 9 upon 2 is equal to 4.5, and therefore OD is equal to 4.5. Now in this case I just want to give one information. So question is this: I am taking these two triangles and their correspondence is COD and AOB. I am not taking other, means BOA. Why? Because angle C and angle A is what equal, and angle D and angle B is what equal, and this is the correspondence. So remember, while you are writing this triangle now, write down according to their correspondence. So you find what easy. Next question, question number 8, page number 22. In the figure, sec AC and sec BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP similar triangle CPD. Solution. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP given, statement number 1. And now in triangle APB and triangle CPD, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP from 1, and angle APB this angle and this angle CPD congruent because vertically opposite angles, and therefore triangle APB similar triangle CPD test a test of similarity. इथे टेस्ट मिस्टेक आहे, आपण ती टेस्ट सुधारूया. इथे SAT SAS test. Now here there is one mistake. Test is what? SAS test. Okay, because these two ratios gives you the what? Proportionality of two sides, and APB and this CPD is the angle between them. Okay, and therefore triangle ABP similar triangle CPD. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.